Hello children, have a nice day today. I am K. Pawan Kumar, School Assistant English, ZB High School, Rudrangi. Today, you are going to learn about our state, Telangana. You all know Telangana is the 29th state in India. The formation day of Telangana was the 2nd of June 2014. And today, you are going to learn about the important people of Telangana who contributed many things. Our great poets contributed to our rich culture. Bamere Potana, who wrote Bhagavatam. It is known for its literary fragrance. Kancharla Gopanna, known as Bhakta Ramadasu, made our literature great with his Kirtanas. Malliganti Suri, Kaloji Narayan Rao, Dasharati Rangacharyalu, and Dasharati Krishnamacharyalu. And the main important one, the father of Telangana, Professor Kottapalli Jayashankar. We consider these are all jewels of Telangana. Now children, you try to find out the people who contributed for Telangana in your area and entire our state. There are many important places in Telangana: Hyderabad, Nagarjuna Sagar, Yadadri, Vemulavada, Alampur, Srirangapuram, Kaleshwaram, Edupayalu, Manadurga Temple, and Bhadrachalam. So children, you enjoyed the clippings of these places. Now, your duty is to find out some more places which are important in our Telangana. Now let us know about the festivals, especially the state festivals of Telangana. First of all, let us discuss one of the state festivals, Bonalu. We celebrate our festivals with warmth and fervor. Bonalu, our state festival, is celebrated during Ashadam as thanksgiving to Goddess Mahankali for fulfilling our wishes. We prepare rice cooked with milk and jaggery, put in a ghatam, the decorated pot, and carry the pot in a procession singing songs. The feast culminates as the ghatams are offered to the local goddess. Now we have another festival, the important one, especially for the girls, that is Bathukamma. Bathukamma festival is celebrated as a part of Dasara. The festival has historical and religious significance. Women carry Bathukamma, beautifully stacked with Tangedu, Gunugu, and Chamanti flowers, to the meeting points. Making circles around Bathukamma, women folk sing songs related to our culture. Later, the Bathukammas are taken to the local tanks and streams to be immersed. Another festival is Muharram. Muharram is celebrated in many parts of our state. It is the symbol of religious tolerance. During this, the Pirlu are kept in the village points. The Pirlu are immersed in the local tanks and lakes. Indeed, our festivals and art forms symbolize our culture. They are reflected in our lifestyle. The saris of Telangana are world famous now. The saris of Pochampalli, Gadwal and Narayanpet are very popular for their attractive patterns. Our weavers of Sirsilla produce saris that fit in a matchbox. The wooden toys of Nirmal steal the hearts of everyone. Some of you might have seen the biopic of Chintakindi Mallesham. Besides, we have Jataras. The Samak and Sarlama Jatara of Medaram, Mulugu district, is one of the biggest gatherings in the world. Moreover, there are several places of attraction in our state. Children, you try to describe the local Jataras in your areas. Ogu Katha is a very popular folklore singing, praising, and narrating the stories of Mallanna, Veerappa, and Yellamma. The narrator and the chorus, two narrators dramatize and transform themselves into the characters. Now, the most important one, our state dance form, Perini Tandavam. Perini Sivatandavam is the dance form originated in Telangana. It has historical prominence. During the dynasty of the Kakatiyas, the soldiers performed this dance as the prayer and dedicated it to Lord Shiva. This Perini Sivatandam dance form was revived by a famous dance master, Sri Nataraja Ramakrishna. So Telangana is an important state in India now, and we have several visiting places like Nagarjuna Sagar, Kaleshwaram Project, Salarjung Museum in Hyderabad, Nizam Sagar, and recently Komati Cheruvu of Siddipet. Now children, you try to find out the important places to visit to develop tourism in our Telangana. Thank you very much.